Right, so we're at a place called Inlaws Coffee. It's on Jalan Merta Nadi. There's Sunset Road just there, and around the corner is the traffic lights. This road turns into Jalan Merta. So it's in, if you knew the old Commonwealth Bank is on the corner there of Sunset Road, it's closed now, but that used to be the Commonwealth Bank. Inlaws Coffee, Muriel on the side. Now there's a few of these around. So we'll go in, apparently it's really good coffee and cheap, and there's food and stuff like that. We'll go in, check it out. I've never eaten here before. Oh, does it need to demand over there? We'll have a look, I suppose. Alright, so they've got croissants and cakes and stuff. Coffee, so apparently there's really good coffee in here. So you've got a proper coffee machine. Why? Mana? Das? Huh? We can have a look, yeah. Alright, so there's an upstairs too. We're just going to have a look at that. Alright, so it's nice and cool, aircon up here. And they got also a little outside veranda here. You can sit out the front. So it's right opposite the new great big construction here. Now this is a, it's going to be a new superstore, Grand Lucky Superstore. So the other one down the road on Sunset Road is going to close up and move here. It's a big, big, big building. Okay, so we'll check out the menu. Right, so they've got pastas, rice bowls, all different types of rice bowls, chicken, curries, grilled chicken, fried rice, Asian food. It's all rice and soups. What's this? Oh, they got a breakfast menu. Big breakfast, 50,000. I tell you what, that looks good. I should have got that. Anyway, yeah, they got salads and Caesar salads and things like cheesy croquettes. Wow. Calamari rings, onion rings, fish and chips. Yeah, it's got a pretty good menu actually. Very nice. Waffles. And then all sorts of different types of coffee. Apparently it's pretty good and it's fairly cheap. Like it's, what was a cafe latte? 28,000. So it's fairly well priced. Apparently there's a few around. How many is there around?
3, I think. One in Kuta, one in here, and one in Denpasar.
All right, so there's 3 of them. So Yuli's going to get the grilled chicken breast, mashed potato. I don't know whether to get fish and chips or a chicken palmy. Maybe chicken palmy, huh? So this is actually in Legian at Sunset Road, which is just there like 50, 60 metres away, Sunset Road. That's where Legian sort of stops. Jalan Merta Nadi, and it just runs through, straight through, down onto Legian Street. Well, I can't wait to get in this superstore, Grand Lucky. There is a big Grand Lucky superstore in Denpasar. I actually did a video on it about a year ago. And this one, I don't know, it looks bigger. It's 2 great big giant buildings, so that'll be very interesting to see what that's like, the superstore, because Grand Lucky, great supermarkets, they really are. You know. Now just up here on the other side of Kadoa Udon is the Papaya Japanese supermarket, where it's a pretty good supermarket really. You can get a lot of imported Japanese stuff, and they've got sushi and all sorts of food selection in there. It's a very, very good little place. A little bit pricey for the imported stuff, but that's to be expected. But yeah. There's a really good bakery in there, really good food and cakes and bread and stuff like that. We often buy our bread there. So it really does have a good selection of coffee. They've got all sorts of coffee like banana coffees, avocado coffees, they've got Korean coffee, they've got Vietnam trip coffee. They've got all different types of coffee. This is actually a coffee shop that sells food, but it's very well priced. So anyway, we'll see what the coffee's like and we'll see what the food's like and whether it's worth a look. Oh, thank you. It's actually like a little swan on top. It's pretty fancy. And I've tried to do this sort of stuff, the barista stuff before. Just can't do it.
I have them all. You can just pour it, the cinnamon on top of it, and you can make hot chai.
Well, you should be making them for your husband at home. Huh? There's my barista coffee every morning. Eh?
So buy the machine.
Tell you what, the coffee's not too bad either. Very nice. Okay. She's hungry. I couldn't get my microphone going. It was set on camera photo, still photo. This is grilled chicken, vegetables and mashed potato. So, all right. Yep, thank you. All right, so this is my chicken palmy and chips. All right, so we'll try this out. Look into it and see what it's got. All right, so what did you think?
Yeah.
You like it?
I like it. Look at my bowl.
She ate it all and didn't get to eat half of hers. Anyway, come in and check it out. In-Laws Coffee. Thank you. Okay, so that was, of course, tax and service charge and all that crap. It was 190,000 in the end. So I ended up having 2 drinks, coffee and iced tea. You'll have a lychee tea, chicken palmy, and the grilled chicken. It's 19 bucks. All right, so we're back at the In-Laws Coffee because when we had lunch the other day, I noticed the big breakfast for 50,000. So I'm coming in to check out the big breakfast. It's got a breakfast menu, poached eggs with cheese sauce, big breakfast, croissant, ham and cheese, or truffle scrambled egg on a croissant. That's the breakfast menu. So that's what I'm having is the big breakfast. And Yuli got a chicken wrap. Thank you. So I got a iced tea tawar, just tea with no sugar. Yuli got a matcha latte in a coffee cup. Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Okay, look at this. This is the big breakfast and it looks good. Got baked beans, mushrooms, tomato, looks like ham, sausages, 2 eggs and some toast. And Yuli got the chicken wrap. Looks alright too. Might have to swap you half me chicken wrap. So she won't eat all that, I'll eat some of it anyway, alright? We'll hook in and check this out, see what it's like. Looks good. Okay, so let's try out this big breakfast. Looks good, very good actually. Some toast. Bit of egg. Bit of ham. Oh, it tastes sweet. Might be like sort of honey cured ham or something. Not too bad. Mushrooms, try them out. Oh yeah. It's got like oregano or something on it. Yeah, very nice. One more little bite with a bit of mushrooms this time. Not bad at all. Sausages look like chicken sausages. So what's your wrap like? They're eating a wrap with a knife and fork. Very good. Anyway, I'll hook into this and get back to you when I'm finished. Okay, so inside Yuli's chicken wrap is like the big chicken fillet. She's eating it with a knife and fork. I just pick it up and hoe into it. So what's it taste like? A little bit Cajun, you said?
Yeah.
Okay, try these tomatoes out. You see they're a little bit char grilled. Nice, actually. Not overcooked, still a bit firm. So I'll stir a bit of Yuli's chicken fillet. I don't know what it is. They're not really Cajun.
Yeah, no.
It's got some sort of maybe cumin or something like that in it. Give it that Mexican taste. Smash that. It's pretty good. $5 big breakfast. Can't go wrong. You don't get a coffee or tea or anything free with it, but for the price, yeah, it's well worth it. All right. She reckons she can't finish it, but this is how you eat a wrap. You just pick it up and eat it.
The chicken is there.
A bit messy, but yeah, pretty good actually. Okay, so the big breakfast, the chicken wrap, the matcha latte, tea and T2O iced tea was 150,000, 15 bucks. So pretty good value really. The breakfast was good, not bad at all.